What's up guys, I'm here with the Salty Captain 4-wheel drive essentials bucket available in the USA and Australia. Now today we're going to give the Salty Captain Mazda BT50 good wash and rinse down with the essentials bucket. We're going to unpack this, show you what's in the kit and run through how to use each product. Let's dive into it. This bucket is absolutely loaded full of goodies. It's got everything you need to keep 4-wheel drive clean on a maintenance basis. Now, we've got here the microfiber hand mitten towel, and we've got a soft bristle brush. This is really good for getting around the rims, any gentle places that don't want to be scratched but need to be scrubbed. Then we've got the hard bristle brush. This is really good for getting all of the dirt and mud off your mud flaps or your off-road tires and stuff like that, or the tray, or even the canopy. Comes with a dirt filter for the bucket. Comes with obviously the Captain's musket. So there's another foam gun for your pressure washer, which I haven't got here today, but I'll link up and I'll show you right here. That's called the Big Loads foam cannon. So that plugs into your pressure washer. It's an option to choose between the musket or the pressure washer with this bundle. Grease Attack, this is a really good staple item that I think everyone should have if you own a 4-wheel drive. This can be diluted into so many other different cleaning products. It can be used as an interior cleaner if it's diluted correctly, and all the way up to the really harsh, grimy areas like your tires caked on mud, oil, grease, under your bonnet and all that sort of jazz. That's what this is good for. We've got the 4-wheel drive and RV wash. This stuff is pH 12, so it's not a pH neutral detergent, it's a pH 12, which means that this will be a much heavier cleaner than a pH neutral. However, it is safe to use on any paintwork. One thing to be mindful of with the 4-wheel drive wash is if you do have wax coatings, after a while, after so many uses of the 4-wheel drive wash, it will start to break down those wax coatings just because of the pH 12s. And then next we've got the interior cleaner. This is good for all surfaces, vinyl, plastics, fabric. Final product we've got in the kit is the streak-free glass cleaner. When I mean streak-free, this thing is such a good glass cleaner. It's better than all those other crap brands that you buy from the supermarket. This is really good premium glass cleaner. So guys, that is the 4-wheel drive essentials bucket. What's in there? Let's get rid of all this. Throw some water in here. We're going to clean the wheels first, so I'm going to put some 4-wheel drive wash into my bucket. Activate the suds. And what I like to do when I wash the wheels is I like to fill the musket up with some Grease Attack, because the stuff is super good at cleaning heavy grease, dust, grime, all that sort of jazz. So I like to throw it in the musket, and that just makes my life easier. Spray all under, get all in here. Spraying Grease Attack directly, non-diluted, straight onto the tires, and that's going to rip all that dirt straight off, and we're going to have a nice clean black surface. And then what we want to do is I want to start with my hard bristle brush. Get that wet. Give the tires a good scrub. You can just hear that tearing that stuff off. Let's grab soft bristle brush and get all under here. And then you can also use this for the rims too. So just getting all up in here. Let's rinse all this crap off. Get all under. Now the good thing about the Grease Attack is the longer you leave it, the more gruesome it is on getting away all that dirt and grime. And we're going to work our way around all 4 wheels before we start washing the car. So that is the wheels all nice and clean. We're going to fill this up with 90 mils. Pop it back in the musket so we can give the BT50 a bit of a pre-rinse. So by pre-rinse, what we do is we're just going to get off all the loose stuff before we go ahead and scrub it. So I like to go around with it once to first. So far we've let the 4-wheel drive wash sit in there, do its magic, let the cleaning agents do its thing. So now I'm going to pop off the foaming nozzle and I'm going to put on the jet nozzle. And this should just help loosen up any already reasonably loose dirt. Good thing about this foam gun is it's really nice and light to hold, so it doesn't get heavy. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pop off the jet nozzle again, and we're just going to pop in the foam nozzle so we can foam up the surface once more, and then we're going to get into it with our microfiber noodle hand mitt and scrub down. Give it a nice slippery surface for us to clean with. That's pretty good. Now get this nice and wet and give it a good scrub and get off all that remaining dirt. Real nice and clean. Rinse off all the residue. So we're going to take this large 40 by 60 centimeter drying towel and pull off all of those water spots. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the streak-free glass cleaner. I'm just going to spray onto my hand and put a nice clean wipe. Right, so this stuff's pretty much an all-round good interior cleaner, which means that you can spray it on pretty well everywhere in the car, and a nice easy spray like that, and wipe over with a clean cloth or clean microfiber, even safe on vinyl leather. That'll get them nice and clean too. And there you go, that's the interior cleaner. Righto, so that is the Salty Captain 4-wheel drive essentials cleaning bucket. Everything you need to look after your 4-wheel drive on a weekly basis. All the tools, all the chemicals, guys, go and check it out.